If
Leftovers.
yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
It just goes K1 and 2 and 3.
Yeah.
The 3 is open.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can write it. The best is 26 versions of 1,000 rooms. And this number is H71325. Built in early 2003. It was built between 2001 and 2003. T Hospital, University of Turku Hospital, Turku, Finland. It's very nice. It's an atrium at the hospital.
Yeah.
Not a bad architecture. One is also open, but it's not the main floor. The second floor is the main floor.
Yeah.
Backup room as aula, or backup room as hall. Turning 20 years old in next year, 2023. Once we change elevators on the top floor,
Yeah.
but it's better.
Yeah.
It's not as embarrassing. It's too embarrassing.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's change.
Teippaikki. Tää menee teippaikkoon.
Yeah. The four main ones are over there. We can check out here.
Yeah.
And the white one. Let's go for it. Yeah, it's definitely early 2003. But it was built from 2001 to 2003. Now the elevator 6 and 7. But there was one freight elevator that is swapped off.
Mm.
Yes, the white one. Also built in early 2003. Turning 20 years old next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. And this number is S71326. The best is 26 versions, so 1,000 grams. Don't know the what's going here.
Yeah.
And there's a door open button, like holding the door.
Yeah.
It's for beds, if needed.
Yeah.
But they also have the four main ones here.
Mm.
They have some lockers there.
Yeah.
It's probably for, I don't know, everyone can use them.
Yeah. Teippaikki vain, mutta meidän teippaikki on.
But it's nice that this was not locked off, like,
Yeah.
even on a midsummer evening, or midsummer eve day.
Yeah. That's